Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you overpay your payroll liabilities and taxes, you may receive a refund check, which you need to record in QuickBooks to correct your liability balance. To do this, select Employees, Payroll Taxes and Liabilities, Deposit Refund of Liabilities from the menu bar. QuickBooks will then open the Refund Deposit for Taxes and Liabilities window. In this window, choose the vendor from whom you received the refund check from the vendor drop-down list. In the Refund Date field, enter the date you want this refund check to enter your bank account. In the For Period Beginning field, enter the beginning date of the pay period this refund affects. Next, indicate whether you want QuickBooks to group this payment with other undeposited funds or deposit it directly into a bank account. In the Item Name column, choose the payroll liability to adjust. In the Amount field, enter the amount of the refund as a positive amount. If the refund is for more than one payroll item, enter the additional payroll items and their amounts into the following rows. Then click the OK button when you are finished. If you overpay your payroll liabilities, your liability balance is then negative. After you record the refund check, QuickBooks increases the liability for the tax specified, which should correct the liability balance.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.